Okay, so if you struggled at all with any of the examples that we've been doing so far, I want to give you a few more in these links to help you out. So here is another example. How many grams of carbon dioxide and iron are produced when 114 grams of carbon monoxide gas is added to a vessel containing excess iron 3 oxide? So again, as always, the first step that we do is to write the balanced chemical equation. Okay, save time, I've written that for you. Here is your carbon dioxide and your iron produced from your iron 3 oxide and your carbon monoxide. Okay, so step 2 is to convert or find the correct units, and it says always start with the given. So the first thing we're going to do is write down what we're given, and we're given right here 114 grams of carbon monoxide gas. Okay, so if we have 114 grams, and always write the units and always write the molecule, compound, or element that you're working with. 114 grams of carbon monoxide gas. And the question is, how many grams of CO2? So we're trying to find this, and we're given this. So this is what we're converting to. So we're given this, and we're going to find our molar mass here at the bottom. So how many grams per mole? So for every 1 mole of carbon monoxide, there are 28.01 grams. Then we need to do our mole-to-mole calculation, our mole-to-mole conversion. For every 1 mole of carbon monoxide, there are 3 moles. I'm sorry, oh, look at that. There are 3 moles of carbon monoxide. I made a mistake. 3 moles of carbon monoxide for every 3 moles of carbon dioxide. And we get that from our balanced chemical equation up here. Then we're going to convert to what we're asked for, and we're asked for how many grams. We're not finished yet because we want to convert our moles of carbon dioxide to grams of carbon dioxide. And we do that by converting to our molar mass. We get molar mass by looking at the periodic table, 44.01 grams of carbon dioxide per mole of carbon dioxide. When we put this into our calculator, there are 179 grams of carbon dioxide. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. This question also asks us how many grams of iron are produced. So we have to start with the same thing. Always start with your given. Start with our 114 grams of carbon monoxide. We've already found our molar mass from the periodic table, and we have to do our mole-to-mole calculation again. Here, for every 3 moles of carbon monoxide, we have 2 moles of iron. We get that from our balanced chemical equation. Okay. Then, for every 1 mole of iron, we look for our molar mass on the periodic table, and that is 55.85 grams. When we put all this in our calculator, we get 152 grams of iron produced in this reaction.